I'm Alan Alop. I'm currently the Deputy Director of the Legal Assistance Foundation of Metropolitan Chicago. I'm trying to set a record for the longest legal service lawyer in the United States. I've been at LAF since 1977, and I actually worked at a legal services program in Jacksonville, Florida for about 5 or 6 years before that. So I've been a legal aid lawyer since 1971. Over the last 30 years, I've specialized in consumer cases. The consumer cases appeal to me more than any other type of work.
His expertise in consumer law, people from all over, not just at LAF, are always calling Alan. He is unflappable. He has a very good ability to prioritize. He's very attentive to detail, and he's just extremely generous with his time and his knowledge.
I had a client who was an American citizen. He'd been an American citizen for 20 years. He had worked in a dry cleaning establishment. He was a clothes presser. His wife came down with terminal cancer. She was in a hospital for 6 months, and the hospital bill was $400,000, and the insurance paid only $100,000. The wife died, and the hospital sued my client for $300,000. I can generally convince the hospitals to write these bills off, but in this case it was an investor-owned hospital. And when I talked to the lawyers and asked them what they really wanted here, they said, "We want his house." This case took 2 years, and the amicable settlement was an agreement that there would be a payment of $10,000 to the hospital on the death of my client. When the home was sold, his daughter would get the bulk of that home, but the hospital would get $10,000. My client was overjoyed. Hospital could live with that, and everybody went home happy. The businesses that target our clients seem to cut corners, some more egregiously than others. You're going to generally find something that you can use to come back at them. We've developed counterclaims, and we can use those things to help our clients.
To maintain your own workload and be responsive to everybody else who's looking to you for help. I think it's Alan's main trait, and it's pretty rare, and it's extremely valuable.
When I compare what happens to people today to what happened to them 30, 40 years ago, the lives of our clients have clearly benefited by the work of thousands of legal service lawyers.